In this video, we have been asked to find the equation of the line in the graph. Now we know that an equation of the line follows the format y equals mx plus c. The m is the gradient and the c is where the line touches the y-axis. So in a Cartesian plane, this is our x-axis and this is our y. So here is where the line touches the y-axis. So our c for this graph will be plus 2 because it touches the line at the point 2 on the y-axis. Now we need to find what m is. And if you remember from a different video, the steps to find m are pretty easy. What we need to do is find 2 points. So this can be our first point, and down here is another point. Then what we do is we work out the rise and the run. The rise is the vertical distance it moves through from point to point, and the run is the horizontal. So the rise here is moving from -4 to 2, which is a rise of 6. And the run here is moving from -2 to 0, which is 2. Now we recall that gradient is equal to rise divided by run, which here is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So the equation of this line would be y equals 3x plus 2. Let's have a look at this example here. Now, similarly, we can see that the graph touches the axis here at the point 3. That means in our formula of y equals mx plus c, we know that it must be plus 3 because this is the y-intercept, or where the line touches the y-axis. Now all we need to find is the gradient. So this can be one of our points. Now we need another point that is easy to read off. Looking down here, the next easy point to read off is this one, at -3, -2. Now we're going to draw our right angle triangle in here, and we're going to come up with our rise, which is going between -2 and 3, which is a rise of 5, and our run, which goes from -3 to 0, which is a run of 3. Our gradient then, which is rise divided by run, is equal to 5 divided by 3. So we can go up here and put that gradient in there, creating this equation for this line. So those steps again, we need to read off where the line touches our y-axis, and this becomes our c value. And then we use our right angle triangle to decide rise over run, and this becomes our m value. And then we have the equation of a line from a graph. Happy practicing, and thanks for watching.